Okay, so we'll discuss simultaneous equations using substitution method. Okay, so the first question would be x plus 2y is equal to 5. This is my first equation. The second one would be 3x plus y is equal to 6. So this is my second equation. So in the substitution method, what you have to do is you have to isolate one of the variable, right? So from one, isolate one of the variable. Doesn't matter x or y, right? So whichever is convenient. So from equation maybe 2, right? I'm going to isolate y. So it would be 6 minus 3x from here. 6 minus 3x. Then that is equation number 3. Then what we will do, we are going to plug this equation number 3 into the equation number 1, right? So plug equation number 3 into, not to the second one which we have derived, the third one, for the other one, into 1. So we took equation number 2, then we subject y from that, and that is our equation number 3, and then we are going to put that into the other one. Other one means equation number 1, which we haven't used it yet. So equation number 1 would be x plus 2y is equal to 5, right? So now you have to have the substitution on y. So you write x plus 2, y would be 6 minus 3x equal to 5. So when you do that, you can see, now in this equation you have only one variable. Only one variable, which is x only. Before the substitution, we had x and y both. You can see here. So due to the substitution, we got rid of one of the variable, right? And then you have to find x from here. So now it's easy. So x plus 12 minus 6x is equal to 5. So it's going to be 12 minus 5x is equal to 5. Minus 5x is equal to 5 minus 12. Minus 5x is equal to minus 7. So x is equal to 7 divided by 5. So that is my x value. Now once you find the x value, you can plug that back into one other equation. So what is the most convenient equation? Equation number 3. Why? Because in equation number 3, if you put this one here, straight away you get y. If you want, you can put that in here as well, no problem. But to find, and also here, no problem. But you know, if you put that into equation number 1 and 2, you have to rearrange so that you can find y, right? So why you are bothering to do that? You can straight away plug that into equation number 3. So from equation number 3, what we can have, y is equal to 6 minus 3 times x would be 7 divided by 5. So it's going to be now 6 minus 21 divided by 5. So when you take the common denominator, you get 30 minus 21 is 9 divided by 5. Right? So you have x is equal to 7 divided by 5. You have y, which is 9 divided by 5. And that's the answer. So that's how you do it. So the second question. Let's take y is equal to minus half x plus 1, which is your first equation, right? Second equation is 1 divided by 3x minus half y is equal to 5. That's your second equation, right? So what is our intention? Our intention is to subject one of the variable. If you carefully look into this, in equation number 1, y is already subjected. Y is already subjected. See, y is isolated, right? So y is minus half x plus 1, and that is equation number 1. I'm repeating it, right? So now what we have to do is, we can plug this bit here. Why? Because that is equal to y. Now it would be 1 divided by 3x minus half. Now your y would be, you put a bracket and put minus half x plus 1 is equal to 5. Now if you look into this very carefully, in this equation you have only one variable. One variable only. And that is x. You have one variable only, and that is x. Right? Then you solve it. So it's going to be x divided by 3 minus half and half positive 1 divided by 4 x minus plus minus times plus minus. It's going to be 1 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now it's easy. So you put the numbers into the right hand side. So it's going to be x divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4. So I would say x divided by 4 because 1 times x is x. And then this one 5 plus half. So we know that 5 plus half is, if you get the common denominator, it's going to be 11 divided by 2. And then left hand side, you can get the common denominator by multiplying 3 by 4, x by 4, 4 by 3, x by 3. And that's going to be 12 in the denominator. Top you have 4x plus 3x, which is equal to 11 divided by 2. Now 7x divided by 12 is equal to 11 divided by 2. Now here I will teach you one short simplification. What you will do, if you want to isolate x, you multiply this by 12 and divide by 7. Same thing you do here. When you do that, 12 is gone, 7 is gone, so you get x. So then this is just a matter of doing that. So 6 divided by 7 is your x value. So done. So once you get x value, you need to find y value as well. So what you can do, so x is going to be 66 divided by 7. So you can put that value 66 divided by 7 into equation number 1, this one over here. So y is equal to minus half, x would be 66 divided by 7 plus 1. Now this is just algebra, so that would be minus 66 divided by 14 plus 1. So it's going to be minus 66 plus 14 divided by 14, and that's going to be minus 52 divided by 14. So that's how you do it.